Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you an untapped resource. Yes, the Reject Shop, believe it or not, has some really amazing home organisation products that I didn't even know existed. So it wasn't until the other day that I went in there for something and saw heaps of stuff and really wanted to share a video with you about it. So this is my Reject Shop must-have organisation products for 2020. I hope you all enjoy the video. If you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I would love to have you. So the first product that I really liked was only $9 and it was a cable organizer. So you can put in, say, your iPod with your headphones and charging cables or whatever else you may need, or you could also use it for your mobile phone with your cables and headphones and charger. This cup holder is actually a phone charger, so you can fit your phone in it and some cards or money or whatever you wanted to put in it, and it actually charges up to 3 devices at once, and it was only $10. In this section, there was also a lot of holders that could be used for your GPS or your mobile phone with suction caps. So quite a big variety in this section, which attached to either your dashboard or your windscreen, and these range from $5 to $10. This drink cup holder was only $2.75 for a 2-pack. So if you have a car that doesn't have some cup holders, personally mine doesn't have them in the back seat, I think that this would be a great addition to your car. Now, to be honest, I'm not sure if it's cheap or nasty. I actually bought one myself, so I'm actually going to test this out, and if you want to know, I will post it on my Facebook or on my Instagram stories. These wireless push button lights I think would be great for any area that does not have electricity. So I think garden sheds and cubby houses, if you are entertaining late at night, or if you're out late at night doing the gardening and it does get a little bit dark and you can't see in there, you can always turn the lights on in your cubby house for your kids to be able to play in there, or to be able to put things back in your garden shed and you'll be able to actually see where things go and you're not just dumping things anywhere, and they stay nice and organized. This would also work really well for cupboards as well. So if you've got really deep pantries or cupboards and you are in a rental and you can't afford an electrician to come back through and put some lights in for you, then this would also be something that would work well for you. In the makeup section, I saw this acrylic makeup organizer for only $5. The best thing about it is that it is clear. So it is going to go really well with any sort of home decor, and there is no need for labeling because everything is on display. I have a 2-drawer organizer in my kitchen. Mine's personally from Kmart, but they also sell these at the Reject Shop. I do use mine for dishwasher tablets, plastic bags, sponges, and steel wool. So you can pretty much store anything that is small, and these were only $9. And these are also stackable. The next product that I really liked was this wire basket. So this wire basket can be screwed to a door, or you could always use some 3M hooks if you're in a rental and just hook it up to a door. So this will give you that extra storage space you need, and I think this would work really well in a pantry for your spices. If you are organizing your bedroom at the moment, they have shoe box organizers. So some of these organizers you can fit 2 shoes in, and other ones are just for 1 pair of shoes. Now, I think that these are great for those seasonal shoes that you don't wear all season, and then sometimes you get to summer and they're all dusty and yucky, or they've been crushed in your cupboard. So these are going to keep the dust off them, and they're also going to keep them in shape. And again, these items are stackable. If you are limited hanging space in your house, then these velvet coat hangers are the way to go because they are quite slimline, and being velvet, your clothes aren't going to fall off them. They have these in black, and they also have kid size hangers in blue and pink. I also love these yellow gold and rose gold coat hangers. I think that this would have looked beautiful in my daughter's room. I personally didn't want to go around and replace what I had. It was very wasteful, so I haven't done that. But if you do want to check out my daughter's wardrobe organization video, I will leave it in the description box below. I did see these slim storage boxes. These were only $16, and they actually have dividers in them. So there's 4 different sections in it, and I think that this would be great for anybody who is lacking storage in their bedroom. So you could store your off-season clothes in these and slide them under the bed. And I also think that these would be great for something like Christmas decorations because they do have the dividers in them, and because of the slim design, it's going to be something that you can easily store away. Now, for people who are renovating or like to go camping, they do have these collapsible sinks, so you will have somewhere to be able to do all your dishes, and because it's collapsible, it is going to be something that is not going to take up much room if you are traveling. The next collapsible item that I do like is this collapsible dish rack. So again, it'll be great for campers, but I also think it'll be great for mums. So if you are washing a lot of baby bottles, you could put all your baby bottles in this dish rack, and then when you're not using it, you can easily fold it up and put it away, and it's not going to take up a lot of room. Now, I know we just did miscellaneous items the other week, but these old school key tag organizers I think are really cool, because you'll be able to actually write on each of the tags what the actual keys are used for. And I think the thing that I love about it the most is that it has the holder, and the holder makes it easy for you to be able to actually read all those tags, so you know exactly what each of those keys are for. And they do have a large range of removable hooks. So they have these in white, they have them in clear, and they have them in stainless steel for a variety of different things and in a variety of different sizes. And these are much cheaper than the ones you would normally see elsewhere. I personally love using these. Even though I am a homeowner, I personally still love using these because I can put them up and I know that they don't damage anything. And then if I don't need to use that anymore, I can easily take it away and I don't have holes everywhere that I have to patch up. Now, this one is for the gardeners, but you really do love your plants, but you just don't get around to watering them, then these Aqua watering globes might actually help you out. So they are $2.50 for a 2-pack, and it says on the packet that it's like 2 weeks worth of watering. I think it really depends on what plant you've got, but I do think these would be great for busy people who just don't get around to or are too busy to go around watering their plants. And my new car bin, yes, I bought a new car bin for only $2 here. It's just called a bin for my daughter to use. And the best thing that I like about it is that it's like a cup. So I don't have to try and open it while I'm driving to try and get things into it. Whereas the other car ones, you normally are in a bag and you've got to try and open it and try and get the rubbish in while you're driving. So I am hoping that this answers those problems that I've had with removing rubbish in my car. This one here is for people who are limited space in their laundries, and that is a collapsible bucket. Yes, I love collapsible items because I do have a small house, and this one is only $12. And another feature that I love about it is that it has a hook on it as well. So you can hook it to the side of your washing machine or the inside of your doors, and it's not going to take up all the space inside your cupboards. Now, for those people that actually organize their undies and socks, yes, I am not an undie and sock organizer person, but if you do like to put them in an organizer, then they do have these organizers and they're only $6. In the bathroom section, there was a lot of holders with suction caps, and I thought that this would be really great to use for the bath because you really don't want to be drilling holes in the walls to be putting up storage systems for your kids' toys. So I think that this would be a great solution for all your kids' toys, and they've all got those drainage holes. So you're not going to have any trouble with mold and with smell, and everything will get aerated and will dry. This A4 document case is only $3.50. So I've actually seen these used to store those wooden puzzles that you have for your kids. So this is a great way to store those and to keep all your puzzle pieces together. And it is nice and slimline, so you're actually able to stand them up. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really does help my channel. And I've also left some of my other home organization videos in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next week with another video. Bye.